Hi, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be doing the Lola Beauty Box unboxing. If you did not know, this box is $21 a month. You get 4 to 5 full-size products valued at $70 or more, and then you can earn points for reviewing products, and you can earn those points to spend on additional products or even a free box. So that's that. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so when you open up the box, it looks just like this in here. It's always got a card right on top that has the theme, and then on the back it has the products that we'll be getting along with their values. So this month's theme is Flawless. Just got some pretty flowers on it. The first item I am seeing is, I think it's a nail polish. I think Zoya does nail polish. So yeah, it's a Zoya polish. And the shade is Jack. I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty free. I want to say it is. Oh, that's pretty. It's just like a like nude, very, very light tan kind of color. So definitely something I will try out. Oh yeah, not bad. This is valued at $10. Not bad. Okay. Let's see, the next item I'm going to pull out is from Kryolan. So this is a makeup face liner. In the shade 37. I wonder if this is another one of those like Makeup Forever stick things that's like eyeliner, lip liner, like everything. If I can just get it open. I'm not sure if this brand's cruelty free. I've never even heard of this brand. If I can just get it open, that would be cool. Wow, this thing is giant. Do you see how big this is? It's huge. So it looks like it is just a red pencil. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. If it's not cruelty free, I can always just give it to the, oh, it crumbled, not good. Oh, I'm not sure how I feel about this. It is a little dry. The tip just fell right off but it is like one that you sharpen with a pencil. So that's the color. It's just a red, not bad. Maybe once I like sharpen it, it'll be more creamy inside, but my first impression is that it's kind of dry and not the best quality. This is valued at $20. So it says Faceliner is a soft textured pencil, for delicate application on eyes, face, and lips. So there's that. See, the next thing I'm pulling out of here is from Glow by Glory. So this is a semi-matte liquid lipstick. I feel like we got one of these in a BoxyCharm maybe? Somewhere before I have gotten one of these before. I don't know, this isn't a good sign. I hope it's just really creamy and not dried out. Okay, it's just really creamy. So it is a liquid lip in the color Cutie Patootie. Ooh. It's like a deep mahogany kind of color. Not sure if this is the color for me, but maybe it'll dry. Well, you know what? Once it dries down, let's take another look. But not mad about this. I do like the other one that I have by them. It's really good quality. The formula is good. It doesn't feel bad on your lips, so I do like this. It is cruelty free. So this values for $18, and it says semi-matte liquid lips. So it's not going to be totally matte, so I'm not mad about that. Okay, so let's see. The next item I have in here is from Wander Beauty, which I love Wander Beauty. So this is, let's see, what is this? Wander Beauty Exquisite Eye Liquid Shadow. Interesting. What color is it though? Lilac Luster. So I will take it out of the packaging so you can kind of see what it looks like, but I probably just toss it into a giveaway. I don't really care for liquid eyeshadows, and I don't like the color purple. So, and that's nothing against, you know, some people like that color and it's really good for them. It's just not something I wear. Ooh, and it's like really shimmery. So there's what it looks like. It's just like a really light purple liquid color. So yeah, that will go into a giveaway. There's that. That is valued at $26. That's kind of expensive, honestly, but maybe it's worth it. Okay, so I got one other thing, and it is a palette. It is from Laqa. It is a Desert Mirage palette. I really like the packaging on it. So here's the colors. So it's just like a lot of neutrals and blues and greens. Looks like we have 4 shimmer shades and 5 mattes. I'm really drawn to this pink color right here in the middle. I know it looks a little nude on camera, but it is definitely like a pink color. Don't know if I want to swatch this. I actually think my palette collection is getting a little out of control, and even though I don't really have a palette like this, I don't really see myself using it. Just the whole bottom row is, I don't really think I've ever worn green eyeshadow, although it would go with my shirt today. So yeah, it looks really, really pretty, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put this into a giveaway. This retails for $24, and that is cruelty free. All right, so overall, this wasn't my favorite Lola box. I do like the palette a lot. I'm just not gonna use it. I'm not huge on getting nail polishes, just, I don't know. I have so many, and I know that's not their fault. Like, a lot of people don't have a lot of nail polish, but I have tons, so I'm not super, super excited about this. This I'm hoping maybe will be better. I definitely am not gonna use it on my eyes, but maybe my lips. Hopefully it will be cruelty free and smoother once I sharpen it down. I'm excited about the lip color just because I really like the brand. Here's what it ended up drying down at. So it is like that matte sort of finish, but not super matte, if that makes sense. And then the Wander Beauty thing, I really like Wander Beauty. Purple's not my color. So overall, I do really like Lola. It's one of my favorite boxes. I think it's totally worth the value. This box was valued at $98 if I mathed correctly, which is awesome. You pay $21, and it's definitely one of my favorite boxes overall. So yeah, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.